Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade canvas board. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a sturdy base, like a hardboard panel, which provides a rigid support for your artwork. Next, choose a good quality unprimed canvas, either cotton or linen, ensuring it's large enough to wrap around your board. For adhesive, a professional acid-free PVA glue is crucial for longevity. Don't forget a spray bottle, a wide brush, and a scraping tool to smooth things out. Now let's prepare our components. Begin by cutting your hardboard to the exact size you want your finished canvas board to be. Then, unroll your canvas and cut it, making sure to leave an overhang of approximately 1 to 2 inches on each side. This allows for wrapping. Next, dilute your PVA glue with a small amount of water, aiming for a consistency similar to thin cream, which will make it easier to spread evenly. With your materials ready, it's time to adhere the canvas. Pour a generous amount of your diluted PVA glue onto the hardboard, spreading it evenly across the entire surface with your brush. Carefully lay the canvas over the glued board, ensuring it's centered. Use a scraping tool or a brayer, working from the center outwards, to smooth out any air bubbles. Finally, fold the 1 to 2 inch canvas overhang around the board's edges, securing them with more glue, and let it dry under weights for at least 12 hours. The final step is priming your new canvas board. Begin by applying a thin, even coat of acrylic gesso across the entire canvas surface. Let this first coat dry for about 20 minutes. Once dry, lightly sand the surface with fine grit sandpaper to create a smooth texture. Apply a second coat of gesso, brushing in the opposite direction of the first. For an optimal painting surface, repeat this drying and sanding process for a total of 3 or 4 thin coats, allowing each to dry fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.